Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to jump the section in Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the Wix website editor, and then as you can see right here, I have your my page. So you can do that by just clicking on one element on your screen. So for me, this will be that button right here. Then from in there, just click on this link right here, and then just choose section or anchor. So you can choose section or anchor, and then which page. So this is the page that you want to put that button, and then where on the page, this will be the page wherein you can skip. So from in there, just head over and put there what you want to do. So for me, I'll just choose the product. Then from in there, click on done. Now, once I have linked that, let's just see a preview of what our site will look like using this. So once I have done that, I can actually just click on the shop right here, and then this will redirect me to the product site of my website. So you can do that, and you can actually change that on your setting. So you can also just head over and do this and just link an anchor instead of a section. So to do that, you first need to add an anchor by clicking on the add element, and then search in here for anchor. So just click on this search and search for anchor. So let's search for that. Then it will search in here for anchor. So just click on this anchor menu right here, and you have this one. So just choose what you want to do. It can be anchor menu, it can be just anchors or arrows. Then once you have actually done that, you can actually head over and then just link this on your page. You can also just use arrows instead of a button instead of what I've done. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to jump the section and click. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!